will win or Philippines will win. So at organization level we have IP restriction but we don't have a login hour. It makes sense, right guys? Like IP restriction I can add that. IP restriction starting of Cognizant start and Cognizant Philippines end. We have a login IP restriction for Cognizant Manila. Same time we have IP address for Cognizant India. Same we have IP address for the Cognizant US. So we know the start and start date, right guys? It is very easy to add the login IP address as per location, but not by time zone, because we works in a different time zone, right guys? Now one thing guys, what is difference between login IP range and trusted IP range? What is difference between login IP range and trusted IP range? Yes.
Trusted IP range are actually in the system that will not send an email authorizations, an email.
Something like, yeah, Ali, go ahead.
Trusted IP. It's only just for
No. Nelson, can you explain? Yeah.
Trusted IP ranges are from computers that you're already able to log.
Perfect.
While login IP range is what you set.
Exactly. See guys, when you log in from your home computer, you get email alert. Verify your computer, enter the code. Remember guys, that email is coming because of trusted IP range. Email verification. See guys, this place. Everybody. In a sharing setting, everybody, do you have something like a network here? See everyone. See guys, we did this. Remember guys? So here everybody. Trusted IP range is also known as a network access guys. Tell me one thing guys, true or false? Trusted IP range controls login, true or false? Trusted IP restricts login, true or false? False. Not exactly, no. So in a way means, let's say if I have a code then, if I have an email then, but in case of login IP restriction, you have anything, there is no way. If you are outside the IP address, you cannot log in. But in case of trusted IP, if you have a code, you can log in. So it's not kind of restriction, it's a kind of verification. There is always difference guys in the restriction and verification. Like Facebook, if you log in into Facebook, it asks for the device name, new device name. That's not restriction, that's a verification. Like if some site is able to open only in Cognizant, not outside the Cognizant, it's a restriction. So you guys got it, right? What is difference between restriction and what is difference between verification?
So what you're trying to tell is this restriction, there's only one way to log in.
Yes, exactly. And only one way is by that IP. But in case of verification, if we have a code, we can log in from anywhere in the world. Everybody?
Just like the black tab that you tell us, right?
Okay, what is black tab?
I mean, what you tell us, you can access black tab outside.
Yeah, exactly. It's not a black tab guys, it's a org62. Like we have a developer org, right? We have a training org. There is a org which says org62. When you guys search for any help and documentation, you go to the one site, this site website, everybody, help.salesforce, this website guys. Okay everyone, and one this website guys. So in this website guys, cogni.force.com, from where the data is coming. In this website, from where the data is coming. You guys are using this website every day, right? The data is coming from my training org. Everybody agree with me? In the same way, help.salesforce.com, data is coming from org62. You guys are so powerful, you guys can just go and edit the article and it will be visible to whole world. Getting guys? So one of the feature of the org62 is black tab, very small feature. org62 is very powerful and org62 can be accessed only inside the ODC. Okay everyone? Now here. So I hope everybody understood what is trusted IP range and what is login IP range. Okay everyone? Don't get confuse yourself in a business hour and something like that. We will cover that topic tomorrow or maybe today. Okay, everyone. Which of the following standard object permission? Now, guys, here itself the answer is. It's talking about object permission. A profile will override sharing rule and setting. Tell me, guys. And modifier. Everybody understood, right? Any second thought, guys? Who is superior? OWD, sharing rule, manual sharing, or profile? Superior at any time. Superior surpasses OWD. If you check these two boxes, guys, how many of you wants to see this box? Anyone? First, I will go back in my old avatar. I will just disable enhance profile. So everybody here. See everybody, this checkbox. Now read this information. Okay, it's something in scientific way. So simplest way is, guys, if you check this checkbox, it will override OWD sharing rule. That means it will ignore OWD sharing rule and you will be able to modify anyone's data. How to remember, guys, sharing rule OWD? What others can do. It is controlled by what others can do for my record. It is controlled by OWD and sharing rule. What I can do is controlled by profile. I can do means, can I create a record? That means is new button is available. That new button is on profile. Can I delete? That what I can do is delete button is available to me coming from profile. Getting, guys? So anything object related permission is on profile. And what others can do with my record, my data, it is coming from OWD. Count, guys. Role, sharing rule, manual sharing, account team, and sales team. These two also counts, guys. Because account team is responsible to share. Account team is responsible to share which records? All records? Then? Perfect. Account, contact, case, and opportunity. And sales team is responsible to share only opportunity. Guys, be confident, right? So here, how many record sharing techniques, guys, we have? First one. Then who opens? Who? If you don't have access using OWD, what you can use? If you don't have access to that record yet, using OWD and role, what is the third option? Still you don't have any access, what you can do? But if let's say you have to share that record 12 people, will you click manual sharing 12 times or you will simply use account team or sales team? But account team drawback is it works only for account. Sales team drawback or opportunity team drawback is it only works on. But what if I want to share my custom object record? Of course, manual sharing button. So guys, OWD, role, sharing rule, manual sharing, sales team, account team. 6. What are these 6, guys? What others can do with my records. Now what I can do is coming from perfect, guys. Now what is mean by changing owner field? What is the word for that? Terminology. Perfect. Transfer record. See, owner field is also a normal field, guys. See here. Let's say. See, guys, this is your next test. Who is the owner, guys? if I click on this button, see, if I am clicking the edit button, guys, do I have option to change owner here? Because changing owner is not the edit operation. This is lots of time misconfiguration or confusion. Changing owner is not edit operation. Changing owner is known as a record transfer. See, guys, now I can select anyone to whom it should be. Guys, what is the name? See, is it saying anything word edit? It is saying transfer. Okay, everyone, go back to topic. So everybody understood, right? Now, guys, what is mean by read?
Go to see.
You can see the record, right? What is mean by create? You can create. What is mean by edit? You will be able to see edit button. You will be able to see new button, and you will be able to see record. Right, guys? Okay, let's say if you guys have every permission using OWD, think, guys, what I am saying. You have public read, write, everything on OWD, but on profile you don't even have a read permission. Can you read record? But still you have everything on OWD, then why cannot? Because OWD says what you can do with others record. It doesn't say what you can do for yourself. Got everyone? Now my question to all of you, is it possible that mouse have a 20 record? Mouse is the owner of the 20 record, but still he is not able to read that record. Is it possible? Think what I said. Again I am explaining. Is it possible the scenario that the owner field, in there are 20 lead records on which the owner is Daniel, but still he is not able to see his own record? Can it be possible?
Yes.
Why?
Because
Perfect. Because at profile level, so you see, guys, what is the scenario? I will explain to everyone. This is a story. Okay. Now Daniel is working in a company. He have a 20 client, 20 opportunity. So far 20 created by Daniel, last modified by Daniel, and owner is also he. You are Daniel, right? Sorry,
I'm mouse.
mouse. You are Daniel also, right? Your name?
David.
David. Sorry. See my weak.
I'm using mouse because he's already using David.
He's also using
No, he's already using David, so I'm using mouse.
mouse. Okay. So here, guys, mouse have a 20 records. He have everything: create permission, read permission, edit permission, and owner. Now she is a manager, and she reported incidents against him that he is doing something wrong, something illegal. Now at that moment, management wants to restrict him accessing the opportunity record. Just he want, there is a team of management who is just doing the reviews and everything, research. What system administrator will do, he will just go to the profile and he will uncheck the read permission for opportunity, and he's gone. But still he is the owner of that 20 record. Once he got the profile level permission, he will be again able to see it. So guys, it is possible. Owner field does not have anything to do with your any permission or whatever. He can be owner, but he is not able to see his own record. Getting everybody? Now, true or false? Created by means he is the owner of that record. Is it true, guys? Why not? Of course, created by him. Then?
Yeah.
Exactly. See, guys, what happens? Happens to me in very first project, late 2008. What happened? I replaced the sugar. There was a sugar CRM, free of cost CRM. I replaced that system with Salesforce, and there are like how many? 1,010,000 something like that record. I transfer all those record to the new system. You know, guys, what happened? Created by name was mine. Everywhere. Created by and last modified by Jitendra Jha, starting to end. And then clients started to scolding me. Why everywhere is your name? I am the owner. I was created that record in old system. Why you are there? Then at that time I understood the value of the owner field. Because guys, what happened? If you are taking the data from the old system to the new system, of course, a small person or NSS guy whose salary is very few, but still he's created that big opportunity. It doesn't mean he has all access. Right, guys? Data loading. I'm just loading the old data to new system. So of course, my username password was used, that's why my name is there. But I am not the owner. And that is the significance of the owner field. Right, guys? Everything in Salesforce is running around the owner field. Now, guys, tell me. Below means low. Okay. You can use sharing rule to grant wider means more access. True, false, guys? Yes. You open it. Now, which option is allowed to system admin when managing password? Okay, guys. Administrator, can you guys do all numeric password?
It's not the-
No. Administrator can reset password for all user at once. How? See, guys. Everyone. So, guys, this is the way you guys have to do. Go to the users page. Select all user. Do you guys see everyone? Right, guys? So here we can reset the user password for all these 4 users. Right, guys? Now, administrators can assign a password. Now, guys, one thing. There is no way a system administrator can write password for you. Like welcome 123, Cogni 123. No. It will be automatically randomly generated. Everybody understood? So of course, this gone, remaining 2 is correct. No need to think. Because but still let's say. Administrator cannot use a password never. Can we do it, guys?
Yes.
Which level? Perfect. Administrator can customize the message sent to logged out. Yes, guys. Can we do it? See this image, everyone. See, guys. Right, everyone? Which option is available while sharing calendar? Many times I question ask you, right, guys? First of all thing, thumb rule. The personal calendar cannot be shared by admins. So of course, only users. And these 2 options clearly says admin. No need to think. Users. Right, guys? Administrator cannot do anything with your personal calendar. Now, Rudara, please explain. Yeah, please explain. So guys, this word is the answer. Not every deal. That means not every opportunity. They want access to few opportunity. So guys, what is the correct answer? Now, if this question comes in your exam, guys, what will change? Instead of this word, they will use perfect. And everything will be same. Right, guys? So this is the word. If you observe this word, you will be able to answer. It does not say for all opportunity. It says only for specific opportunity. Now, who's next? Nelson, please explain.
iWealth account should be visible to the iWealth sales team members and the retirement account should be visible to all sales users. How can system admin meet this requirement?
Okay, guys, one thing. This is a very shortcut rule. Everybody try to understand what is the shortcut rule. Whenever someone says that this user should not be able to see anything, that becomes more restricted, right, guys? And that by default becomes OWD. For example, let's say the question comes, every user in the organization, here guys question, think very carefully. Every user in the organization should be able to edit account except few group of user, but they can view accounts. So what will be the default OWD? No, that's the problem. That's I said, yeah. Everybody in the organization should be able to edit records except few users who will be able to see all records. If I am saying word, everybody will be able to see all record. That means a public read only, default. They should be able to see all record, right, guys? And then For the other users who wants edit, open up using sharing rule. So this is a thumb rule in OWD. Whoever the most restrictive person will become the OWD sharing. If I change the sentence, I say no, that person, like in this case, it says that sales team should not be able to see other record. That means it's a private. Right guys? And that's why OWD is private. Don't think else. Whoever the most restricted user, he becomes OWD. You know guys, this is the way we design our project in Salesforce. Let's say some project comes to us and we take an Excel sheet, and when we come up, we just figure out who is the person, who is that below level, who is the low at the role. What should only he should be able to access. And on the basis of that user only, we are easily able to figure out what will be the OWD. If I say that the lowest person should be able to edit everything, that means there is no need of OWD. Right guys? Because of course everybody needs to edit, then edit. But if the lowest person should not be able to edit anything, that means the OWD is public read only. Lowest person should not be able to see each other's record will become OWD. Now in this case guys, high wealth accounts should be visible to high wealth sales team members only. That means, see guys, retirement accounts should be visible to all sales user, but high wealth accounts should only to the high wealth. That means OWD become private, because high wealth users should not be able to see sales, not even see. That's why the correct answer is guys, see, private. From here only you can figure out what is correct answer. Everybody understood? How guys? Can we delete? Can we delete user? What we can do? Okay, once we deactivate, will it be deleted after 15 days? If we contact Salesforce, can they delete for us? I mean, can we delete if we have a black tab? No way. Even we can't. Now, is it good practice guys? It will create a lots of confusion. Let's say the record is created 2 years back and he joined today. Everybody will question, hey, you joined today. How can you create a record 2 years back? Of course, because last modify, everything will be his name. Let's say my name, Jitendra Jha, I change my name to someone else. Whatever question, whatever what I have created, everywhere her name will be there. Getting guys? So anyways, this is not good option. So only good option is now. Public read write. Wow. Is there any way guys? If we don't change OWD, is there any way? No. It by default says OWD is read write. Can we make OWD read write and then after sharing can we restrict it? We go in opposite direction. First we restrict and then we open. We don't do something like it first open and then restrict. Are we going that right way guys? So just select this one. That is the only option. Now why not this? Using sharing rule, can you restrict? Lee? Just go fresh out, no issue. Yeah, no issue. Guys, someone sleepy, just let me know if you want break, okay? Do you guys need break? Everybody? You are already on break on Friday, right? Okay guys, let's take a break and come at 2:10. Okay everyone?
I feel you, man. I feel you.
Smoke time.
Ito ang sinasabi ko.